In the name of Allah and the prayer on Prophet of Allah. My name is Abdelrahman. I am an electrical power system protection engineer. I will introduce to you course in electrical power system protection with title Practical Power Systems Protection by using etap. In this course, I will show you how you can using etap software to perform successfully protection and coordination study in systems with voltage less than 1 kilovolt and systems with voltage above 1 kilovolt. Let's start to introduce the contents of course. First, I will talk about how to draw single line diagrams through etap, typically as the single line diagrams that came from consultant. Second, I will talk about how to enter technical data to all AC elements in your single line diagram. Third, I will talk about star protection and coordination module in etap and how you can use this module to perform protection and coordination study. In this part, I will talk about edit study case toolbar, star view toolbar, star BD. BD means protective device toolbar, and TCC toolbar in details. TCC means time clipping current. After that, I will talk about cable protection. In this part, I will talk about cable protection, how to adjust any protection function had included in miniature circuit breaker, and how to adjust any protection function had included in molded case circuit breaker. Then I will talk about motor protection and setting. In this part, I will talk about motor protection and settings, motor settings and motor protection. After that, I will talk about coordination study in systems under 1000 volt. In this part, I will talk about coordination study between MCB and ACB, coordination study between MCCB and ACB, and the coordination study between overload MCCB and ACB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker, MCCB means molded case circuit breaker, and ACB means air circuit breaker. Note, the explaining in this part will be on low voltage switchgear from ABB company. After we finished explaining the protection and the coordination for low voltage systems, now I will talk about protection and the coordination for systems above 1000 volt. In this part, I will talk about motor protection. In motor protection part, I will talk about how to adjust the protection functions that included in motor protection relay. As example, I will explain how you can adjust and what is the value for thermal overload protection function, excessive startup protection function, short circuit protection function, and the ground fault protection function by using protection relay from ABB and the built-in etap software. After that, I will talk about transformer protection. In this part, I will explain how you can adjust and what is the value for overcurrent protection function, short circuit protection function, and earth fault protection function. After that, I will explain how you can do successfully coordination study between three protection relay, motor relay, feeder relay on secondary side of transformer, and relay on primary side of transformer for phase protection. Finally, I will explain how you can do successfully coordination study between three protection relay, motor relay, feeder relay on secondary side of transformer, and relay on primary side of transformer, but in this case for ground protection. Note, the explaining in this part will be on switchgear from ABB company with rated voltage above 1000 volt.